As a specialty lender for the past 20 years, Brookview Financial has specialized in rehab loans. Rehab loans, also known as hard money or hard equity loans, are meant to be short-term loans that are used by real estate investors to purchase and renovate real property. These specialty loans are inherently higher risk loans designed to enable an investor to quickly acquire a property, renovate it, and then cash out of the loan by either selling the property or refinancing the loan to a lower debt service. Because of the nature of these loans, real estate investors understand that higher points, interest rates, and fees will apply. Knowledgeable investors simply recognize this fact and incorporate it into their cost of business by adjusting their purchase offers accordingly, much like buyers and sellers adjust for realtor fees. This video will give you an overview of the points, interest rates, fees, and contingency fund requirements for Brookview's credit and non-credit based loans. Once we receive the investor assessment form and assessment fee, our team will start the due diligence process. This process includes running a credit report. For our credit-based loans, we are looking for a credit score of approximately 660. If your credit score is not quite there, you will qualify for a non-credit score-based loan. Interest rates on our credit-based programs can be as low as 12.99%. Our non-credit score programs are at 15.99%. Points, which equal 1% of what you borrow, start as low as 3 for our credit-based programs and go to 5 for our non-credit-based programs. Our points are wrapped into the loan, so you will pay them when you cash out of the loan by reselling or refinancing. Now that you know the cost of our loans, you're probably thinking, well, how much will you lend me on any given property? This is known as a loan-to-value ratio. The LTV ratio for our credit-based programs is 65% of the after-repaired value. If you're investing outside of your home state, a 60% loan-to-value ratio on after-repaired value will be applied. The LTV on our non-credit-based programs are applied to the purchase price and rehab cost, not the after-repaired value. We will lend up to 70% of the property cost, which includes purchase price and rehab cost. Now, if you review the information that we have provided, you will see that we can offer you 100% financing on our credit-based programs if you buy right. But in today's economy, it doesn't take much to look back and see that 100% financing can be a disaster for both the lender and the borrower. At Brookview, we continue to be the nation's premier rehab lender because we recognize that it is much better for both the lender and the borrower to have some reserve funds. Therefore, we have a contingency fund set aside at the closing. This contingency account, funded by the borrower, is held in escrow to pay the debt service and act as a reserve account. It protects both the borrower and the lender. For borrowers with credit scores of 660 and above, loans are for up to 100% of the purchase and rehab, subject to a general reserve of 12.5% of the loan amount and prepaid interest for 6 months. There is a maximum loan-to-value ratio of 65% of the after-repaired value of the property. If you are rehabbing outside of your state of residence, or we believe you are not refinanceable, the maximum LTV is 60% of the after-repaired value. For borrowers who have credit scores below 660 because of some unforeseen circumstance, we do have an investor recovery program that is not credit-based. The investor recovery program requires a general reserve of up to 30% and pre-funded interest. So now you know the rates and ranges of our points and interest rates. If you want to get our absolute best interest rates and points, you should join our finance club. In addition to our online and live educational classes, wholesaling networks, proprietary tools, and software, our qualified Platinum and Gold Club members enjoy our absolute best rates. Imagine learning from, working with, and borrowing from a lender. That's what our finance club can provide. Visit www.brookviewclub.com for more details. Our club will change the way you invest, and you can join today right online. Thanks for watching this video, and welcome to the Brookview family.